What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm about to step into an appraisal. That's the appraiser right there. She's taking pictures of the outside. So let me tell you how this actual deal worked. So I bought this deal cash with a business partner, and then we put in about 80,000 into it to force appreciation. So we had about 410,000 in. Our goal is for this to be appraised at $600,000. Okay, and then from there we will be able to get a 70% LTV. So that loan will be about new mortgage will be about $420,000. We'll be able to get most of our cash out of the deal, and it still will cash flow after that. Okay, so this is a 4 unit. We bought it for 330, putting in 80. Hope to get 600 in terms of the appraisal. I'm actually at the appraisal, and I'm going to guide her step by step through. Her name's Trisha. I'm going to guide her step by step through everything that we did. Give her all the numbers, from the HVAC to the foundation to the flooring, have all of that for her, because even with her being a seasoned appraiser, she can't actually see all the work that we did, and so we have to point that out to her so that when she goes to run her comps and make her assessment of whether this is in excellent condition, whether it's very good, whether it's average, whether it's below average, these are the kind of grades that they will compare other comps of your property to. We want to be very good, and we do believe that what we created here is very good, which will actually give us a higher appraisal and allow us to do the cash out refi and essentially BRRRR a fourplex. A lot of people talk about BRRRRing single family homes and things of that nature. We are in the process of BRRRRing a fourplex, and so it all depends on this number that she gives us. Then we're going to take that number. Actually, the bank hired her, and so even though we're paying for their appraisal, and what we'll do is from there, this number means everything. So that's why I'm here, to make sure it's as high as possible. All right, so I'm about to go in here, walk her through the property, through the inside. Got all the keys here to guide her step by step through it, and I'll let you know what happens. All right, so if you want to learn how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this beautiful property here in New Orleans, this fourplex, then go to multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to do exactly what we're doing right here. I have what, 35 doors now. 35 doors, acquired 25 last year. So I know what I'm doing, and I want to share with you how to do the exact same thing. Now, there are some markets that are a little bit tough to play in, like the Bay Area, New York, things of that nature. But if you find a market where there are multifamily homes that you can do this, I can show you how to make sure that you win every single time. All right, so let me go handle this. I'll catch you later. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. Much love, y'all. Peace.